Hi there, welcome to Voice of Reality. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button so that you don't miss any upload. Lerato Mvelase has been scammed out of her family trip by some couple holiday swindlers called Black Trotters. And guys, when I say they scammed her like a lot of money, like I'm not joking, guys. I don't even know how she is feeling right now, or because you can actually tell that her emotions are just all over the place because it's a lot of money. They scammed her 640,000 rands. Like, can you imagine, guys? That's a lot of money. And I see her all over social media. She's trying to post, tagging those people, would please pay back my money because that's a lot of money. She even said somewhere, we work really, really hard for us to enjoy ourselves with our families, for someone to just come out of nowhere and scam us such amount of money. And guys, when I say some people that are feeling really sorry for her, oh, I'm very sorry, that's a lot of money, they're actually taking along to say, please pay back the money, pay her back her money. But some people, guys, are just so surprised, yo, that's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. Like, where are you getting this money? Like, how much are you getting paid per month? Because we all can tell 640,000 rands, guys, that's a lot of money. Like, how much is she making per month? But anyway, we cannot really go far with this one. We cannot conclude because, yes, as she said, she works very, very hard for her to enjoy with her family. But some other people also were saying and then tomorrow they will come back. I mean, these celebrities, they will come back tomorrow saying, please donate for Sbanvani. She or he is at the hospital and they cannot afford their medical bills. While they're out here still spending 640,000 rands. Like, it doesn't really make sense. And people were just bashing her for that. We would know you cannot spend such amount of money just for a trip. But I feel like it's worth it, man. If she's working really hard for her family to enjoy, then let her be.